Hi guys, Rockman, Elf on the Shelf. Today on Elf on the Shelf, Grinch is going to play the slot machine. No, Grinch is going by the clock. Strawberry is going to play the slot machine. Good idea. Let's go. You guys, I'm Strawberry, and yep, I'm gonna be playing, but I don't know whose water is at, but I think I'll have it. Just have it. So I'm gonna just put the coins in like this. And I'm gonna do this. And I'll hit the buttons with my butt, because it's called buttons. So I will play it with my butt, because it's called buttons. I don't know why they call it buttons. Okay, you need a gold, Grinch. Why? Because you have gas. No, you do. Oh, that's true. From my buttons. What? Hi guys, I'm Grinch, and look. Yep, really cute. And yeah, did I just see a pillow? Who'd throw the pillow? I know, the leprechauns. You guys, I'm Grinch, and I'm going to do this. Look inside. See? Really cute inside. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember, these videos are for fun, and yeah, hold on. Thanks for watching. Remember, these videos are for fun, and oh, look at this, it's raining. Sorry, I hit the button by mistake. Hold on, you guys. Sorry, I hit the button by mistake. What happened? Hold on, let's restart it. Alright, thanks for watching. Here's the clock. Yep, happy St. Patrick's Day night. It is like 12 midnight. No, wait, I'll tell you. So I can't say 1 o'clock because they don't do 1 dot dot 00. They just do 1 o'clock. So I'll just say 1:05 a.m. is 1:05 p.m. 2:05 p.m. 2:05 a.m. 3:05 a.m. 3:05 p.m. 4:05 a.m. 4 p.m. 4:05 p.m. 5:05 a.m. 5:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m. 6:05 a.m. 7:05 a.m. 7:05 p.m. 8:05 a.m. 8:05 p.m. 9:05 a.m. 9:05 p.m. 10:05 a.m. 10:05 p.m. 11:05 a.m. 11:05 p.m. 12:05 a.m. 12:05 p.m. So yeah, so it's like 12:05 a.m. 12:05 a.m. No wait, it's now 1:05 a.m. No, 2 a.m. now. 2:05 a.m. now. Now it's 3 a.m. 3:05 now. Now it's like 5:15 a.m. now. So remember to subscribe to YouTube, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye. Have a good night, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Goodbye.